Understanding GSTR 9A for GST filing. GSTR 9A is an annual return that must be filed by composition scheme taxpayers under the Goods and Services Tax (GST) regime in India. Key features of GSTR 9A. 1. For composition scheme taxpayers. GSTR 9A is specifically for taxpayers who have opted for the composition scheme under GST. This scheme is designed for small taxpayers with an annual turnover up to 1.5 crores rupees. 2. Annual filing. Composition scheme taxpayers are required to file GSTR 9A on an annual basis. The due date for filing GSTR 9A is typically the 31st of December of the following financial year. 3. Simplified return. GSTR 9A is a simplified return where composition scheme taxpayers report their annual summary of outward supplies, inward supplies, and tax paid. 4. Details of supplies and taxes. Taxpayers provide details of all supplies made and received during the financial year, including supplies to registered persons, B2B, supplies to unregistered persons, B2C, and any adjustments made during the year. 5. No input tax credit, ITC. Composition scheme taxpayers are not eligible to claim input tax credit, ITC, under GST. Therefore, GSTR 9A does not include any provisions for reporting or claiming ITC. 6. Verification and declaration. Taxpayers verify the correctness of the details provided in GSTR 9A and make a declaration regarding the accuracy of the information furnished. Key sections in GSTR 9A. Part I. Basic details such as GSTIN, legal name, and trade name, if any, of the taxpayer. Part 2. Details of outward supplies, including supplies to registered persons, B2B, supplies to unregistered persons, B2C, and exports. Part 3. Details of inward supplies attracting reverse charge mechanism. Part 4. Other information such as late fee payable, interest payable, and demands and refunds. Benefits of GSTR 9A. Ensures annual compliance, helps composition scheme taxpayers fulfill their annual compliance requirements under GST by providing a summary of their transactions and tax liabilities for the financial year. Simplified reporting. GSTR 9A provides a simplified reporting format for composition scheme taxpayers, reducing the compliance burden. Transparency and accountability. Promotes transparency and accountability in the GST system by providing a mechanism for annual reporting and verification of transactions.